The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has extended the flood warning for northeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey until 12:15 a.m. At 2:55 p.m., river gauges in Lincoln Park remained above flood stage. On the Ponton River, the Rives road gauge had crested, but was still indicating moderate flooding. The Midwood gauge had also crested, but was also indicating moderate flooding. The Mountain View gauge had also crested and was indicating moderate flooding. On the Passaic River, the Lincoln Park gauge and the Two Bridges gauge were still rising. The Passaic River is expected to crest tonight. For the following counties in New Jersey.